Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Ps5 with the account that will share games. Make sure the console is online and you know both PSN credentials. This saves time. Once signed in, go to Settings, Users and Accounts to confirm your account. Make sure two-step verification codes are accessible. They often appear during account changes. After you verify network and account access, proceed to activate console sharing and offline play, so the other user can play without signing in every time. Next, you enable the sharing feature directly on the console you want others to use. Go to Settings, then Users and Accounts, choose Other, and open Console Sharing and Offline Play. Tap Enable. This sets the Ps5 as the primary console for that account, so other users can run installed digital games. Once enabled, sign out the sharing account and switch to the local account to confirm access. If games appear in Library, you've completed the middle step correctly. If not, recheck which account was signed in. To finish, install any shared digital games on the console and let them update. Make sure the account that owns the games is not actively set as primary on another Ps5. Otherwise, licenses won't allow play. If you get license or DLC access errors, sign the sharing account back in, re-enable console sharing, and then sign out again. This refreshes entitlements. Remember, you can have only one primary console per PSN account, so deactivate any old consoles if you run into repeated problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.